After multiple delays and high anticipation, Indian astronaut Shubhanshu Shukla has finally launched into space. As part of the Axiom Mission 4, this journey to the International Space Station includes 3 other international crew members, and it is a collaboration between NASA, Axiom Space and SpaceX. Shukla will spend about 14 days aboard the ISS performing scientific experiments on behalf of ISRO and NASA, which is a proud milestone for India. But space travel isn't just thrilling, it is also physically demanding. And do you know how space affects the human body? Well, in microgravity, every part of the body responds differently, and the longer one stays in space, the more difficult it becomes to recover. For example, the DNA. While most genes return to normal, 7% of DNA stays altered permanently. Then, vision can blur and radiation raises the risk of cataracts. Skin becomes thinner, tears more easily, and heals slower. If we talk about muscles, then they weaken due to gravity loss, though astronauts exercise 2 hours daily to reduce atrophy. If we talk about body mass, well, astronauts lose about 5% body mass, mostly from blood volume. Then, brain imbalance. Radiation may increase risk of Alzheimer's, and disorientation leads to motion sickness. Heart also gets affected as circulation slows, red blood cell production drops, and arrhythmias can occur. Similarly, immune system gets weaker because 6 months in space equals 10 years of radiation exposure on Earth. Astronauts lose 1% of bone density monthly, and they even grow taller in space because their spines expand while in orbit. Therefore, Shukla's mission is a leap for science and space exploration, showing us not just what's possible, but what it truly costs the human body to live beyond Earth.